Hi, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's day 26 of our Be Creative series. And it's raining so hard today, I got a phone call from Noah. He was looking for extra lumber. And so what are you going to do when it's raining too hard even for me to photograph? You have to find a place where you can photograph where it's not raining. So here we are. We're in my car. And I've got a light set up, one of the ProMaster LED panels on me, and I've got one of the Lytra Pro torches set up onto the windshield. I've got the Lytra set up in the tungsten light mode. I've got my camera, Nikon Z7, set up, aperture priority, 400 ISO, f5.6, with the white balance set to tungsten. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to photograph the windshield. I'm going to photograph the light on the windshield. I'm going to photograph the drops of rain on the windshield. The background's going to be blue and the foreground's going to be white with the tungsten light. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. So I'm focusing right on the windshield. There we go. I'm at f5.6. Awesome. I'm going to open the aperture to f4. Let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. I'm going to scroll the focus up to get a little bit different focus here. Right there. Now I'm going to step down to f8 and see what happens. Beautiful. Right there, focus. Yes. So we're trying something different today. You know, you've got to be creative, and part of being creative is being flexible, being dynamic, being able to adapt. How many of you have thought to photograph in the car on a rainy day? There's all kinds of cool stuff to do. And what are we going to do? We're going to share these pictures. And where are we going to share them? We're going to share them by hashtagging them. When you post them on Facebook and Instagram, you're going to hashtag Paul's Photo. You're going to hashtag Creative Photo Academy. And you're going to hashtag We're All Together. And what does the hashtag do? It makes it so that you can search for the pictures. And we can search and see the pictures that you've posted. And you can search and see the pictures that other people have posted. And that's how we share. That's what social media is all about. And that's what building our creative community is all about here at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Making fun, having pictures, photographing. Look at the car's even fogging up. And I haven't even kissed my girl yet. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho. You know what's coming next. Have a great day. See you real soon.